You have a plan? Want to meet your friends or colleagues for joint activities and share location and activity information with them? Meet Jellyride. Jellyride makes all your friends, family, or colleagues in sync in one place. You can find them all on the map in real time, and you can chat and coordinate among yourselves. With Jellyride, you can easily create activities defined by place and time, or create private groups for joint activities and history with sharing pictures, videos, documents, travel plans, and routes. Creating new activity is super simple. Define start and end points, set start time, and invite your friends. In the matter of seconds, your friends will start receiving invitations with all trip details. Or you can even do it for yourself. Whether running, cycling, or hiking, you can track your route with speed, distance, time. Jellyride can also help drive your business. It's perfect for tour guides, as you can easily let your group have the full tour in their hands, with all information, scheduled plans, waypoints, site details, and descriptions. Everything to provide the best customer experience. And it's very easy. Simply send the app download link with invitation, or your customer just scans the QR code and he is in with all the tour info. Make your next adventure more fun and safe, and share your experience with others. Jellyride.com